To use a virtual Visa card on PayPal, you first need to add the card to your PayPal account. Start by logging in to your PayPal account and clicking on the Wallet tab. Then click on Link a Card and select the type of card you want to add. In this case, a Visa card. Enter the card details including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any issues with the transaction. Once you have added the card, it will be listed in your PayPal wallet. To use the virtual Visa card for a transaction, select the card as the payment method when checking out. You can do this by clicking on the Pay with a different payment method option and selecting the virtual Visa card from the list of available cards. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the payment amount and the recipient's information. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and the payment will be processed. It is also important to note that you can set the virtual Visa card as the default payment method for future transactions. To do this, go to your PayPal wallet and click on the card you want to set as default. Then click on the Set as Default Payment Method option. Using a virtual Visa card on PayPal provides an additional layer of security and convenience for online transactions. The virtual card is not physically linked to your actual credit or debit card, reducing the risk of fraud and unauthorized transactions. In case you encounter any issues with the transaction, you can contact PayPal customer support for assistance. They will be able to help you resolve the issue and provide guidance on how to use the virtual Visa card on PayPal. By following these steps, you can easily use a virtual Visa card on PayPal for secure and convenient online transactions. Make sure to keep your account information up to date and monitor your transactions regularly to avoid any potential issues.